Hi, want to know how to enable automatic system updates on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then scroll to the end of this page. Here, go to this tab which is named About Phone, and here, go to the tab Software Information. Here, we would need to find this build number and click on it 7 times to open developer options. So, let's click on it a few times. And now we get this notification which is saying that the developer mode has been enabled. Now we would need to go back and here open the developer options. Then click on this search icon and enter a word named auto. Here we would need to scroll down until we will get to the tab which is named developer options. Here is it. We can see this button which is named Auto Update System, and by clicking on it we will find it in our phone. And here is it, the Auto Update System. Your phone will update every time when you reset it. And to enable this feature we would need to simply click on this slider until it will turn blue. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.